Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from Group C and we are going to talk about network systems. But first, let me introduce our group. First, myself, Raihan Azhar Lapandu, NPM 20706044. And then we have Rofi Isan Mutaki.
Hi, my name is Rofi Isan Mutaki, NPM 207006031.
Thank you. And then we have Altaf.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Altaf Pramasta Perkasa, NPM 207006080.
Thank you very much. And then we have Indra Rusyana.
My name is Indra Rusyana, NPM 207006040.
Thank you. And last, we have Jamaluddin. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Jamaluddin, NPM 207006504.
Thank you very much. Now let's just get into the material. As you can see on the screen, we have our materials ready about network system. First, we talk about the network system itself. Network system is two or more computers that are connected to each other and used to share data. Network system built with combination hardware and software. To create network system, switches and routers use various protocols and algorithms to exchange information and to bring data to the desired endpoint. Every endpoint, sometimes called host, on the network has a unique identifier. Oftentimes, the IP address or media access control address used to show source or purpose of transmission. Endpoint may include server, personal phone computer, and a variety of network hardware. Next, we have network media transmission. A media transmission is a media or tool used to connect between the sender and the receiver of information when transmitting a data. The data is first converted into an analog signal that can be read by the media transmission or encryption codes, and analog signals will be manipulated by various sort of way to change back into data. And then we have media transmission itself. First, there are cable twisted pair. Twisted pair transmission media is grouped into two types: UTP, unshielded twisted pair, and STP, shielded twisted pair. First, UTP, unshielded twisted pair, is type of cable made of a copper base, devoid of an internal shield, such as STP cable. The UTP is the most common type of cable often used in local network LAN because it has a low cost, flexibility, and demonstrated performance. The UTP wire has a single layer of defense that insulates the cable from physical or malfunction, but unlike the shielded twisted pair cables, it does not insulate the cables from electromagnetic interference. Now, the next material will be presented by Rofi Isan Mutaki. Please read.
Thank you. BSTP, shielded twisted pair, is a copper wire that has a wrapper on each pair of wires. The protectors are in each set of wires protected by lead, and each set is coated with a protective shield. This wire is the same as the wire in its protective coating, and it serves to protect against electromagnetic pulse interference from both inside and outside. And number two, cable coaxial are a type of copper cable specially made with metal protectors and other components. This type of cable is designed to reduce signal interference and is commonly used by cable operators, telephone companies, and ISPs. These cables are also often used by cable TV companies to connect satellite antenna facilities to customer homes. Next. And number three, fiber optic cable is a type of cable made of glass or plastic that is very smooth and used as a transmission media because it can transmit light signal from a location to another at high speed. This fiber optic size is very small and smooth, only 120 micrometer in diameter, even smaller than a strand of human hair. This network component has a high transmission speed by using light refraction as its working principle. The light source used for the transmission process is a laser or LED.
Thank you very much. The next presentation will be presented by Altaf. Please, Altaf, take it away.
A network type. Before we find out further, it is better to understand the type of network that already exists. There are many types of computer network out there. The following are some of the type of computer networks that you may often see. 1. LAN, local area network. LAN connect network device in a relatively short distance. An office building, school, or home network usually contains on LAN, although sometimes one building will contain several small LAN, maybe one per room, and sometimes the LAN will reach a group of buildings nearby. In TCP or IP networks, LAN is often but not always implemented as a single IP subnet. And next, number 2, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a network that connects two or more LAN networks within the same city. If the distance connecting the two LAN is already impossible to build a network, and then the MAN network is used. This type of computer network is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. MAN use special device and cable to connect the LAN. 3. WAN, Wide Area Network. WAN can also be said as a collection of LAN that is spread geographically. A network device called a router connects a LAN to a WAN. In an IP network, the router stores the LAN address and WAN address. WAN differs from LAN in some important ways. Most WAN, such as the Internet, is not owned by a single organization, but rather exists under collective or distributed ownership and management. WAN tends to use technologies such as ATM, frame relay, and X for remote connectivity.
Thank you very much for the material. Next will be presented by Indra Rusana.
Network topology. In a computer network, topology refers to the layout of a connected device. Computer network topology can be set as the form or virtual structure of the network. This set doesn't always correspond to the actual physical layout of the device on the network. Network topology is categorized into the following basic type. 1. Bus topology. The topology of the bus network uses wires as its backbone. This cable serves as a communication medium. Next. 2. Ring topology. In the ring network, each device has two networks for communication purpose. All messages travel through the ring in the same direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. If there is damage to the cable or device damage, the loop and can degrade the entire network. To implement a ring network, it is usual to use FDDI, SONET, or token ring technology. Ring topology is found in some office building or campuses.
Okay, thank you very much, Indra. And then last will be presented by Jamaluddin. Please, Jamaluddin.
Number 3, star topology. Many home networks use star topology. The star network has a central connection point called a hub node. That might be a network hub, switch, or router. Devices are typically connected to hubs with unshielded twisted pair, UTP, Ethernet. Compared to bus topology, star networks generally require more cable. But failure in star network, cable will only degrade one computer network access and not the entire LAN. If the hub fails, however, the entire network also fails. Next. Number 4, tree topology. Tree topology joins the star topology to form the bus topology. In its simple form, only the hub device is connected directly to the tree bus, and each hub serves as the roof of the device tree. With the hybrid between the bus and the star, it supports the expansion of the network much better than buses or stars only. Next. Number 5, mesh topology. Mesh topology introduced the concept of route. Unlike previous topology, messages sent on mesh network can take one of several possible paths from source to destination. Some WANs, especially the internet, use mesh routing.
All right, thank you for your presentation. That is all from our group. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Before we end, I want to say sorry for our many grammar mistakes. Sorry for our missed material. And end of words, Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in another time.